I've been at this for several months now and wanted to share my progress. It's the first 100 days of content that I've created. I started my channel about a year ago, but I didn't make anything public until November. In the last 30 days though, I decided to post new maker content every single day. It's interesting. YouTube provides a lot of statistics, and if you can decipher those and act on them, that's the key part, acting on those data, you can shape your channel into something worth watching. I'm far from there, but there is hope. Let's take a look at my channel. Here's the page, J. Robert Clark. Nice name, huh? If you go to the About page, just real quick, as I said, I joined over a year ago. Since then, I've had over 1/3 viewers. Thank you. That's a big deal. Let's look at my videos. I posted 60 so far. As I said, the first one's about 100 days ago, my first serious video. I'm proud of the build. I am not proud of the video. It was not well designed. I tried a few other things, some shorter videos like this 5-minute how-to explainer video. I did a sequel to my first video, another equally long and equally uninspiring video. It was about a month ago, a little over a month ago now, that I had been doing some research, and I was thinking a lot about what I could do to improve viewership, the quality of my videos, to make this something watchable. I came across a couple ideas. One, vlogging. Now, you usually have to be a celebrity, a personality already established to get people to watch your vlogs, but there's another reason for doing it. It's just to get in front of the camera. And so that's what I started doing. About the same time, I also decided to start doing YouTube Shorts. Those are those portrait format instead of landscape format videos that are less than 60-second long. They're meant to compete with TikTok. Well, I started making those every day. Starting on the 25th, I did my vlog, 2 vlogs, and then after that, 2 videos a day. It was a lot of content. That's what the most of these videos are. So 60 videos, and 52 of those happened in the last 30 days. Some of them took off. This one in particular, how to bend wood using a table saw, 208,000 views. This one back here, 118,000 views. So I'm getting some traction there. And from those, I gained the vast majority of my viewers. Let's look some more at the statistics. Here's the dashboard that YouTube provides for any channel called YouTube Studio. It's really handy, and if you can decipher all these numbers, you can benefit from it. Pushing 4,000 subscribers. Thank you to everyone. Let's click on over here and look at the analytics specifically. I love the encouragement sometimes. Keep it up. That's nice. Fine-tune this to be for the last 30 days. Prior to 30 days, I had fewer than 70 subscribers. Flash forward a month, I have almost 4,000. That all happened because of that constant posting, and principally through posting the shorts. Here are those data in detail. 350,000 views. Awesome. Watch time hours, 4.7 thousand watch time hours. That's cool. And then 3.8 thousand subscribers. The vast majority of that, those 2 shorts. So less than 2 minutes of video. That's what they say. You get 1 or 2 videos that take off and everything snowballs in the right direction, so long as you can keep up that momentum. My other videos that follow, several thousand, certainly more than I was getting before, but nowhere in that realm of blowing up kind of videos that you hear about on YouTube, but still, it's encouraging stuff. What's challenging about all this for me is those are all shorts. The shorts are just a snapshot of who I am and what I do. I'm still refining this channel. People that click subscribe on those may be expecting nothing but that. For example, the table saw example. I got what looks like a lot of woodworkers, a lot of carpenters, a lot of tradesmen, but that's not what my channel is all about. I'm a generalist. You know, I also want to include things on soldering, sculpting, painting, crafting, but I don't know, it is what it is. It's got me subscribers. Maybe that's traction that we need, right? The other drawback to shorts, they build your subscribers, but they don't help out with your watch time hours. You know that number, that 4.7 thousand hours of watch time? Virtually none of that counts towards monetization. Look at this. Here's my subscribers, but only 135 public watch hours. So if people watch my shorts via the feed, it doesn't count towards my watch time hours. The reason being is they don't commercialize it like they do other watching on YouTube. I've yet to cross into a more successful arena with my regular length, regular format videos. And I'm trying to figure out why. The short answer is I'm not formatting my content right. Maybe it's not unique enough, or different enough, or engaging enough, or all of the above enough. I have a lot of work to do. I've got to figure that out. One thing that has happened though, and I'm very encouraged by this, is the boost in confidence that has happened since I've been posting every day. Sometimes I just don't want to do this, but then again, I love doing it and I want to make it viable, so I have to. And I've gotten over that phobia or fear of being on camera all the time. I've become less self-conscious. If nothing else comes of this, I have that, and that's encouraging. But there's so much more. There's so much more that I want to do. I like this stuff. I love making. I hope to share more with you. I will share more with you. Thanks for tuning in. This has gone on. Less is more. Shut up, John. Get back to making videos. Take care, folks.